On 6th of October, in a joint operation conducted by Dima Hasao Police, Karbi Anglong Police, and 11 Assam Rifles, as many as 7 cadres including leaders of newly formed militant outfit called Dimasa National Liberation Tribal DNLT were apprehended from several locations under Maibang subdivision on Wednesday. It is notable that right after the formation of the Dimasa National Liberation Tribal DNLT, the militant outfit called for 36 hours ban in Dima, Hasao and Karbi Anglong district on 13 September, although the reason for calling the ban was not clearly disclosed. However, there had been a speculation that the group was against bifurcation of Dima, Hasao district into 2 parts. Sources say that Bat Singh Jigdung, leader of the group, had surrendered before the security forces 3 days prior to the joint operation, and another cadre was apprehended the following day. Mayank Kumar, superintendent of police, Dima Hasao, informed that the cadres of DNLT were in pursuit since the last few days, as the cadres were on the run off their camp in forest areas along the borders of Dima Hasao and Karbi on 26 September. 2 pistols, ammunitions along with 2 crude grenades were recovered from the group. The apprehended cadres and the arms recovered were handed over to Maibang police station in Dima Hasao district. Mayank Kumar, SP Dima Hasao, says with arrest of all the members, including the top leader of DNLT, the group is completely finished. Some cadres were arrested, while some cadres surrendered by themselves. They initiated their extortion activities, but they were unsuccessful as our team remained vigilant.
Immediately joint operations launch किए, इसमें दीमा हसाओ पुलिस, कार्बी अंगलोंग पुलिस और असम राइफल, ये तीनों के तरफ से joint operations हुआ और धीरे धीरे हम लोग का इनपुट्स वगैरह भी, इंटेलिजेंस वगैरह का इनपुट आते गया, मिलते गया और उसके बाद स्टार्टिंग में कुछ लिंकमैन हम लोग पकड़े, फिर उसके बाद और खबर मिलने के बाद इन लोग का जो DNLT का जो कार्डर्स था उन लोग को पकड़े, तो ऐसे करके धीरे धीरे ऑपरेशंस हुआ और कहीं कहीं नियर मिस भी हुआ। उसके बाद प्रेशराइज होने के बाद इन लोग का जितना मेन लीडर्स है या कार्डर्स है या तो अरेस्ट हो गया या तो खुद आकर के वो लोग सरेंडर कर दिया।
Gyanendra Pratap Singh, IPS, Special DGP, Law and Order, on this note took to Twitter and tweeted, militant organization floated on September 13 in the Hasao, Karbi Anglong district has been neutralized by Assam police with arrest of all 7 leaders, cadres and recovery of arms and explosive. Well done, Karbi Anglong police and Dima Hasao police. Suraj Burman's report from Hasao for Karbi Anglong Live.